The power of habit. Hi, I'm Del Edwards, and today I'll be sharing with you number 2 of 5 ways to create habits that last. Develop if-then strategies. What do I mean by that? Well, we have this way of making resolutions, let's say. I'm going to read a book every month. And that's all well and good, but sometimes we don't follow through with our resolutions. So what we can do is do something like create or develop an if-then habit. Meaning, if I watch television for 30 minutes, I will read a book for 30 minutes. I mean, you can develop it however you like. But that is a powerful strategy because you can use it to allow yourself to do the things that you like to do, but also give yourself motivation to do things that you might not have created the habit of doing yet, like reading for the purpose of self-development. I could say something like, I'm going to exercise every day. Or I could say, when I come home, I will take off my clothes, put on my gym clothes, and exercise for X number of minutes. Now, that creates something, an intention in your mind, and it helps you to be able to create the habit. All right? So that's tip number 2 for creating habits that last. I hope you like this video. Subscribe to my channel. And if you're interested in finding out how I'm able to generate additional income from home, go ahead and click the link below. Until next time,